Welcome back. Remember that line of storms that Will Redden showed you last night? It ran from here to here on the west side of us. Well, it finally came through and then it stalled. And as you can see, it's another line here to our east. It's just over in Indiana, making its way toward Ohio. Because that system stalled, the cold front behind it also is stalling. And by the way, with regard to the stall as far as the rain, we had additional rainfall this morning. As you can see, the most significant amount to the east, Terre Haute, more than half an inch of rain additionally, again since midnight, and here in Charleston, an extra tenth of an inch of rainfall. Current conditions, we are in the 60s, but it's only temporary as far as this warmth. 61 and sunshine right now in Charleston, a few clouds to the west, including in Taylorville. Overnight tonight, we will be thankful for some clouds because they trap in a little bit of warmth that we just gained. 39 for the overnight low, winds from the west gusting at times up to 20 miles an hour. Now, we have a possibility for some moisture falling to earth on Earth Day tomorrow. Earlier, and we just had a model change, our earlier model had these green drops all over the place through our system, through our area, but our newer model now shows these chances of precipitation will be not only widely scattered, they will be very small chances for precipitation, but we still do have that in our forecast. Looking at your full situation for tomorrow, the main overriding event is our temperatures aren't moving up. You see sunrise at about 6:05, 41 degrees. We're in the 40s all day, folks. We'll be lucky to see 50. I'm hopeful for 50, but I'm maybe too much of an optimist. It's just going to be cold tomorrow. It's going to be chilly for your Saturday. One of the reasons why the jet stream shows us when we look at the air high overhead, there's another stall going on. It's a stall of cold air from Canada this weekend. Saturday, Sunday, not much movement there. Into Monday, really, not much movement. So our weekend outlook looks like this. Isolated sprinkles, and I mean they're really going to be isolated according to the model we just saw. 49 maybe for the high. We don't move up much at all for Sunday, a high 50. And then Monday, it finally gets a little bit warmer. One of the reasons why, the winds from the southwest coming up, and our temperature may come up a little bit below the 60-degree mark. That's still 10 degrees below what is normal for this time of year. Weekend concerns, well, we're going to have overnight low temperatures on Saturday and Sunday, just barely above the freezing mark. So look out for the possibility of frost advisory and maybe freeze warnings for the area. Rainfall for the month of April. Possible rain, well, there's possible rain tomorrow, but we've really not had much rain for the month of April, especially when compared to March when we had almost 7 inches of rain. Not much rain at all falling, including in our 7-day outlook, maybe at the end of the 7 days and maybe just a little bit tomorrow. But again, the overriding feature is those cool temperatures. They will be with us. We probably won't see 70 degrees until we actually get into the month of May.